Alright guys, welcome back to Stuck, a foreign where I'm stuck with you and we are always smiling. So tonight is my cousin's birthday. What's up, Shauna? What's up? Happy birthday, girl.
Thank you, cuz.
Yeah, it's her birthday, so I think she, moved her date up a little bit in terms of, no, as in going to Bahama Breeze or whatever it is.
Today's my actual birthday.
I know, but I mean, when you were gonna go.
I wanted to go this weekend, but I wanted you to be here.
Exactly. So we just heading in right now. My cousin says it's like a Jamaican kind of place-ish, so let's see what's up.
Island.
Oh, sorry, island kind of place. All right, so we doing right now. Alright, so in here it smells kind of good. I like the vibe here already. Feel me? I'm just chilling right now. There's a few more people. I thought it was just me and these guys here, but there are a few more people coming. And yeah, I'm looking forward to this experience. I don't know. And I smell good. I think the food I go good. So I said, yo, touching back onto that food review that I did at that Jamaican restaurant. Like, man, my cousin said the food wasn't so like up to date. It was kind of salty or whatever it is. So I think it wasn't as good as I thought it might have been, but yeah. Oh, the same drink. Oh my god. Yeah, the same thing like she made the other day. Yeah. Yeah, so guys, we're pretty much here. I like when I go to a restaurant and like the menus are like different, you feel me? The menu feels good. Like when I saw it before, I never even knew it was a menu. So boom. So here we got a few things here. And I'm gonna pick me out a drink and something pretty good to eat. I don't know what I'm gonna get, but yeah.
So can't share this one.
Alright, so me and Mish, we're gonna do the appetizer sampler. You guys can see, got like Jamaican wings, they got conch, pineapple chutney, yo. Looks pretty good. Yeah. Looks dope. Looks good.
Yeah? What are you drinking?
What I'm drinking? Yeah, I think. Oh, they have no Jamaican drinks there?
No, they have Bahamas, Virgin Islands, and from St. Kitts and Nevis.
Oh, this is pretty good. It shows Caribbean flavor islands and where the drinks are from. Nothing from Jamaica, unfortunately, but shows stuff from Puerto Rico, British Virgin Islands, as Michelle was saying. I don't know what I'm getting at, to be quite honest. So I think I know what I want. I want the Caribbean style lobster mac and cheese. That's what I want. For sure. I just have a pretty bad habit, guys. I'm always pretty predictable when it comes down to ordering food. It's either shrimp, lobster, or steak, or crab. Like, I don't want nothing else. So that's what I'm having, and I hope it's good. I think it's gonna be good. And I think the lobster's gonna be really big. I hope so. What that's again? What's again? Good night? Good night, good night. You don't love me, and I know now. Get it. Alright, so I just got me a plain raspberry lemonade. It's pretty good. And there's extras in the cup, so that's dope. It's pretty dope. Yo, you hear that song in the background? Check it out. You hear it? Ooh, our waitress is cute too. Am I lying? Yeah, she is. I'm gonna get real inquisitive with my cousin's drink. What you got? What's this?
It's a virgin.
A what?
Virgin ultimate pineapple.
Virgin ultimate pineapple.
Yeah.
What you got milk? Top shot, what you drink over there? What's in your cup?
What?
What you got in your plate? Patty that?
Empanada.
Empanada? What's inside? Oh, beef.
Yeah.
Okay. Looks dope. Oh, look at our food. Oh my gosh. Yep.
Enjoy.
Thank you. Look at that bad boy.
All the sauces.
Yep.
The
You got the sauce to go on top of that. See your plate.
Lobster and shrimp quesadilla.
Looking good.
Yeah.
So currently my plate, I got that empanada thing. My cousin says it tastes like spaghetti. You see me? I want a fried onion ring. Drop that on top. What else is there? Where are my utensils at? Do they have more? Nope. Alright. I'll just scoop this over here. Thank you. Yeah, I got an empanada thing, whatever. I'm gooch. Sorry guys, I'm just trying to get out my fork. Oh.
What sauce is that?
Alright. Put this down for a second. Now I'm gonna get into this bad boy. Smell like a patty? Feel like a patty? It's good though. Wow. Is there a dip for this?
Yeah, there's
We got something like that, right?
yeah, and then we have this one.
Alright. Oh, this looks sexy. So good. It looks really sexy. Look at that. Look at that.
Conch Fritters.
Oh, what looks like
Chicken wing and stuff.
Try this on top. See how this goes.
Oh, yeah.
That's pretty good too. Wow. Yo, so far everything I've gotten has been really good. Wow. It's good. Yo, that beef empanada thing, it got potatoes in it, right? Can't explain it. It's just good. Jeez, like, yo. Wow, it's really good. People are gonna donate money. I'm gonna donate money, man. Jesus. You can see the sweetness on the coconut pan or something, you know. They never hold back. Oh my god. This thing here, like I don't want to give too much detail because you guys might never come here. Pineapple sauce. Yeah. They got sauces for these things, guys, but to be quite frank, you can go without the sauce. That's how good it is. Alright, here we got the little conch tartar thing. The conch fritters, okay. I'm gonna dip it in that. What's that? What sauce is this one?
I don't remember.
Okay. Yeah, nice and soft. Wow. Pretty good. Yo, so far, the appetizers are bomb. Like the coconut shrimp, like the outside was like really crispy and tender. Like the coconut trash was like really sweet. The inside, like the shrimp part, that was almost like a sushi consistency, meaning like it's really fresh, it's not rubbery. The onion rings, some people don't like onions because onions have like this weird smell and this kind of, I don't know how to say, a very pungent feel in your mouth, but this onion, it was cooked in such a way that the outside was really crispy as well, but the insides were like tender and sweet, because when you cook onions right, they caramelize, so that was really good. The conch fritters, I didn't taste a lot of conch in it, but it was good, it had a good texture. The wings I'm a little bit afraid of, because chicken is chicken, as I always say. Let's hop over to one of these wings. What kind of wings are these? Jerk? Alright. Let's see what's up. This man really come from Portland or what chick. Alright, it really doesn't look like the conventional jerk, to be quite honest. It looks kind of fried, but let's see. Yo, food is life, bro. Food is life. really salty. It's really salty and it doesn't taste nothing like jerk at all. It's good chicken though. Yeah, you guys heard the background noise. I think it's the Pittsburgh Steelers are playing. All right, look at that. Oh, we got the Lobster Mac and Cheese. And these people are so kind for me to go around and do videos on their food, getting all personal. Oh, look at this. What's this, Michelle?
It's a lobster and shrimp quesadilla.
Lobster shrimp quesadilla. Oh, you went basic. What's this?
I'm a true American.
True American. What you got, Shawkey?
Steak, bro. Trying to eat healthy.
All right, steak and greens.
Yeah.
All right, small portion there. What you got?
I got the paella.
So you're not gonna let no rice green in that one now.
Whatever, Stephen.
What is it?
The paella, seafood paella.
Ah, sounds good. Smells good too. What you got?
What you got now?
Chicken tender.
Chicken tender. You went American too. What you got?
Coconut shrimp.
Coconut. Oh, that looks good. And for the last but not least, what you got?
I got salmon with mango salsa.
Salmon and mango salsa. Ooh.
Yellow rice and mashed potatoes.
Yellow rice, mashed potatoes. And back to the main event, guys. Look at this bad boy. Oh, this mac and cheese here looks really nicely seasoned. Look at that. Oh my gosh. This is a bad girl right here. Yeah. Oh, what you doing? What you doing? Putting a bit of that sauce. See what's up with that. Oh my gosh. It's Bahamian mac and cheese. Heaven.
Crime scene.
Crime scene. You know what it is? The crime scene moment. Oh my god, the food was good.
Lobster
Dead. I don't know if you guys might ever be in New Jersey or stop by Bahama Breeze, but it was pretty good. It was pretty good. I'm a big Red Lobster fan. I like the lobster there. This was pretty good. The only thing I didn't like how the lobster was fried. In general, it made it work for the food because the frying that they had on it wasn't like a really hard fry. It was like a very light fry, and it added texture because you know the mac and cheese is soft, so you needed texture with that, and it was pretty good. But you don't know. Hellshire lobster, they can't gonna beat that so easy, but that was good. Plus the lemon butter on the green beans. I think I might go vegan. Oh, what you got here? This looks good, girl. Buddy, what I'm saying, happy birthday?
Coconut. It's coconut cake.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Red Girl. Happy birthday to you. Oh, yes.
No.
I know. I don't like it. They didn't tell you. No, they didn't tell you because I don't like it.
What does it taste like?
Toto.
Really?
No, that's Stephen,
Tell us how the cake tastes.
the steak tastes like Toto. You don't know the Toto your grandmother rub up.
Which is good, right?
And you can taste the trash.
Hey, we did out to eat, you know, and Michelle at church. Michelle still at church for YouTube. Hey, them song, yeah? Well, the place, you know. The song I play.
Yo, you remember Stephen wine from Paul?
Oh, dude. We out. Alright guys, so we're about to leave. Remember these two things: love, nature, adaptation, and keep the link. Bye. See ya. Peace.